Hello, and welcome to Employee Attendance Management, alias EAM video tutorials. This tutorial describes how to create departments which are assigned to employees and managers. Using the Global Administrator user account, the one who registered for the EAM service, select Global Settings on the left menu bar. Then select the Create and Edit Departments feature option. Click the toggle switch just below the department view title on the left to display the entry fields. Click the Add button if there is an existing department displayed for editing to create a new department, or if already clear. Then proceed to enter the department name. The Daily Overtime Begins entry field controls the extra time allocated to overtime hours. When set in a range from 0 to 25 minutes, this prevents employees who may log in a few minutes earlier or log out a few minutes later to not accumulate overtime. You also set when overtime is applicable after a set of worked hours in the break time settings, which is shown in another tutorial. Therefore, set this value to 30 minutes or more that is appropriate for your company to authentically capture overtime hours. Then click the Save button, which will then present the newly created department as a card view. The Managed By will initially display, not assigned. When you create a manager and assign them to a department, this is where their name will appear. To set the start and finish time for the department, click the Add Shift button. The Add Shift to Department Name dialog will appear. If there is only one shift for the department, set the shift number field to 1. Then set the start time from the drop list, and then the finish time from that drop list. Proceed to click the Save button. The shift's hours will then appear on the department's card view and on the shifts section on the right. Notice the paid hours is also set after setting the shift's duration. The default setting does not pay for a 30-minute lunch, hence the 7.5 hours in this example from 9 to 5. You can change this in the break time settings view, which is shown in another tutorial. If the department has more than one shift, click the Add Shift button to add as many shifts required for the department. You can toggle the card view to a list view if you prefer by checking the box Toggle List View, which you can also search if you have many departments in your organization. You can edit a shift's details by selecting it in the Shift section, which will present a dialog box for you to make changes, such as the start and finish times, or set it as not active when the shift is not required for a period of time, by deselecting the Is Active checkbox. This prevents it from showing up in the employee's shift number selection list. Then click the Save button. A shift can also be deleted by clicking the Delete button. A department cannot be deleted if it has already been assigned to a manager or employee who have logged work hours for that department. Instead, you can checkmark the department as obsolete option to prevent it from showing up in other selection lists when assigning a manager or employee to a department. And that's it for this tutorial. Goodbye for now.